Grand finale, y'all family. Shoot them up, camera girl. Shoot them, shoot them, shoot them up. Bammy's on. Have all been fried off. Look at the color, y'all. Look at the color. I'm gonna break for you all. Crispy and nice. And make sure if you wear the dentures, they're intact before you go down in piece of it. Nice and crispy and crunchy. Now, these are just finger food. I told you about using your hands. Hands are clean. I'm gonna serve you up some. And look at what we have over here. I'm gonna serve you. I've got no escovitch fish right now, but I have some saltfish. They have been properly fried crisp. I don't take out the bone because the bones are as crispy as the bammy. Okay, y'all. And look what I have. Look what I fixed up for y'all with this. Look at what I fixed up for y'all. So, they're gonna come right. Remember, this is a finger food, you know. So we're gonna put some of this little thing here right on there. We want to make sure so you get a piece of the Scotch bonnet. And if you love to eat like that, you get 2 pieces. Okay, y'all? So, it's a finger food thing. From my kitchen to yours, to your stomach, to your palate, to my subscriber, who is from my kitchen to his belly. I don't remember your name. It's fried bammy. And this is what I've served it up with some crispy fried saltfish. And I've done a little pickle, onions and pepper and carrot to top it off. Enjoy y'all. Okay? And I'm gonna show you. Yeah? And the saltfish. I'm gonna show you. Crispy crunchy. You must shut. Camera girl. Shoot them up, camera girl. Shoot them up. I want you all to look. I want you all to look at it. From my kitchen to yours. Enjoy, y'all. They say bon appetit. I say bon appetite. Eat. I want you to go now. I don't know if bon appetite, I don't know what it means, but I say eat. Okay? I want you all to go to your West Indian store, get your bammy, and I've showed you how you can prepare your bammy. And you can use your saltfish with your little pickle here until Debbie down a yard drop that escovitch fish video. Okay, y'all? I hope you do enjoy. I know you will. I want you to feel right at home. Okay? I love you. I love you. Love you all. And once more, from my kitchen to yours, enjoy. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. Share the videos. Thumbs them up. Okay, y'all? Leave your comments below. Hop on over to the Jamaican debbiedebs. The link will be in the description. Debbie from Dongayard.